Hello, Cumberland Elementary. It's Mr. Goddard. I am going to show you how to use eBooks and e-audiobooks from the library today. The first step is to go to a web browser like Google Chrome. Next, you're going to be going to the website limitlesslibraries.org. If you're on Google, you could also search for Limitless Libraries Nashville. Once I'm on the Limitless Libraries webpage, which looks like this, you will be able to go up to Elementary School and Downloads. As you scroll down, you will see many different websites you can go to find ebooks, audiobooks, and more. But today we are going to be looking at Overdrive Kids. Go ahead and click that. All right, let's take a look at this website. There are lots of different books that you could read down the center of the website. But I want to show you how to find a book that is always available. So if I go up to Collections, I can go to this website that says no wait, no problems. That means all of these books will be ready to check out right away. All right, so as you can see, you could check out Wonder or Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. You could check out a graphic novel like New Kid and more. There's lots of awesome books. If you want to check out a different type of book, you could take a look at some of the filters on the side. Maybe you would want to check out a picture book. So you could click the picture book fiction filter, and you will see lots of different types of books that you could check out. I know a lot of our students love David Shannon books, so I could borrow The Bad Case of the Stripes. Let's look at the checkout process. You can go ahead and click Borrow, and it will ask you for your library card. Your library card is your student number and your 4-digit birthday. If you need your student number, you can go ahead and email me at jdgoddard@mnps.org. I'm going to put in my information here because I am checking out this book. Once you sign in, it'll ask you to check out this book. You can choose whether you want to check this book out for 7 days or 1 week, 14 days or 2 weeks, or 21 days or 3 weeks. I know this is a short book, so I will just check it out for 7 days or 1 week. And I'm going to hit Borrow. All right, now that I have borrowed this ebook, I can either read it with a Kindle or on the Kindle app. That's an Amazon product, or I can read it in my browser. I'm going to just go ahead and read now in browser. All right. So now that the book is loaded up, I can read it right here in the browser. A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon. Her mother ran into the room and she screamed. "Oh my heavens," she cried, "you're completely covered with stripes." All right, so that is how you check out an ebook from the public library. If you'd rather listen to a book, you could also check out an audiobook. The process is very much the same. I'll go up to Collections, Audiobooks, and the No Wait, No Problem feature. During the entire month of April, Harry Potter is going to be no wait at all. So I'm going to go ahead and borrow Harry Potter, the audiobook. I can check it out for 21 days because I know it's going to be a longer book, and hit Borrow. All right. So again, I can download an MP3 audiobook to my computer, or I can listen in the browser. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and press play.
Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. Read by Jim Dale. An unabridged...
You'll notice I have some chapter features and bookmark features on the side, and this will save your place based on your library account. Lastly, you can read many of your ebooks and audiobooks on different devices. So if you have a phone or a tablet, you could read with the app called Libby. Find it in your app store. Thank you guys for listening. I appreciate it. Have a great day.